Hi everyone, this is Jigyanshu Sharma and today I am here to start a live video on writing tips part 2. Well, I have posted a part 1 video I think 1.5 months ago, and I'm really sorry that I got a bit late today, late this time, because I have some prior assignments that I'm finishing my 4th novel, and it's still pending. I was busy with my second novel's ki marketing, that Papa, and with God's grace it's #1 on Amazon, and I was quite busy, but today I'm here in front of you to give a live session on writing tips. Well, if you have attended my first session, it was all about how to write a book, how to crack an idea. I have amalgamated it into 4 parts. That is WHWW. That is what to write, how to write, when to write, and where to write. So under what to write is that you have to find an idea. You have to crack an idea so that you can write a unique story, right? And then how to write is you have to choose among the past narrative or the present narrative, depending upon what you want to give to your readers, right? And when to write is that you have to get a best time so that your creative neurons can work and write a perfect story. And from where to write is that you have to stick to a clean place, sit at a clean place and cozy corner where no one can disturb you, and you write your best of the best stories. So if you haven't seen that session, you can check out my IGTV videos. Now after posting that session, I get lots of DMs from the writers, aspiring authors, who want to know, okay, yes, we have cracked the idea, we are there, we know when to write, so tell us how to start a story. Well, starting a story is a bit complicated. If you ask me, I divide a book into 2 or 3 parts. It's a generic thing that we divide a book into 3 parts. That is start, middle, and the climax. So start is the most important thing. So in this session, we are going to discuss how to start your story so that it can become a bestseller, or not even if you don't want to be a bestseller, then it should be, attract the readers. You want to make your brand, you want to be, you crack the thing in the writing world. Okay, yes, I write good stories. So starting point is a big deal, and not just big deal, I say it's a make or a break deal. If you are able to seize the attention of your readers, right, then it's gonna make your story. Otherwise, it's gonna break your image, not the story. Because the next time the reader think, oh, the book is so boring, I'm not gonna buy this writer's book. If I tell you from my personal experience, I'm not just a writer, I'm a reader too. और बहुत सारी, ऐसा बोलना नहीं चाहिए, I'm feeling very bad to say this, but the truth is that बहुत सारी book I purchase and I start reading, and from the first to second page I lose my interest. They are boring, and the idea is not new, and the writer failed to capture me as a reader. So I should not say this, because I know author put lots of effort to write a book. They write it, they got it edited, they market it, but at the end, if they don't attract the readers, then what's the use? So now you people might be asking, okay, how we can do that? How we can attract the reader on our very first chapter? That's easy. Whatever book you are writing, whatever is your story, you have a great idea, right? That great idea is what we say, पारस का पत्थर है आपके लिए, समझो. वो हमें have to place in that chapter, have to put the glimpse at least. I'm not saying unveil your climax in the very first chapter, but at least build an idea, at least throw a light over there. For example, if you're writing a suspense thriller, take an example of suspense thriller, there is a twist or a turn that end में किसी का कुछ murder होना है. Suppose if I give example of my own book, Papa, that's a suspense thriller. I started it with the murder of Ishita Mehra. Yeah, on the very first chapter, I put a murder, an investigating team, a forensic team, which are, working over it, कि कैसे हो. The readers got so much attracted. They were like, अरे next क्या होगा? We definitely have to read the second chapter. So at the end, in the last chapter, I unveiled the climax. Even I got lots of mail and DMs where people said that when they started reading the book, they're like, utne ka man hi nahi hua. In 3 or 4 hours, they just finished it, and then they were like, wow, right? So that's what we have to do. So it can be done in suspense thriller, in murder mystery, हॉरर है और ऐसी भी कोई ट्विस्ट एंड टर्न्स अगर आपने डालने, साइकोलॉजिकल थ्रिलर है, आपको ऐसा डालना है तो यू कैन पुट द ट्विस्ट इन द वेरी फर्स्ट चैप्टर. इफ यू डिड दैट, इफ यू सीज द attraction of the reader, you enchanted the reader. Yeah, I use the word enchanted. You have to enchant them because giving 3 to 4 hours, the books are like 200 to 400 tak ki hoti hain. It's not a big deal for us, for a reader like us. So the problem is that time. The reader is giving 4 to 5 good hours on your book, and if he or she didn't get the best of the best, then they were like, nah, I'm not gonna buy this writer's book all over again because it's just such a wastage of time. Because time is money na yaar. If somebody asks me ke lo time de diya tumko aaj 4 ghante ka, so I'm definitely, I was like, oh, aaj I have 4 hours extra that I'm gonna read a book. I write something for my 4th novel or so my 5th novel, and I was like asleep for an hour or watch a good series on Netflix. So if readers are giving you 4 to 5 hours, then it's your responsibility to put that perfect idea in front of them so that they get something at the end. So that is for suspense, thriller and murder mystery. You have to build a twist, you have to build an idea on the very first chapter. You have to grasp their attention. Now people might be asking, few of you are like, we are not like into the suspense thriller genre. What will we do if we want to write a romantic story? Then okay, what is romantic story? Romantic genre is like very difficult to write, I would say, because story is same now. There's a boy and a girl, or there's a boy or a girl in these days. So they meet, they fell in love, and what happened? There's a problem, they solve that problem, or whether they are like live happily ever after, or they never meet, one of them died or whatever. So the story is same if we check the romantic genre. How we can put that twist in the first chapter. So the idea behind this is your idea. What is the unique idea in your love story? What is that? So you have to put that unique idea in that story, in that first chapter, and then you have to move forward. If you say nahi, I want to just let me give you an example. Suppose somebody want to say कि I want to go to Delhi to Chandigarh. If you say, yeah, I pack my bag and I put it in my car's boot and I sit down and I drive for 5 hours and I landed to Chandigarh. Who wants to listen to this kind of boring thing? But if you write, I have to go to Chandigarh. It is a matter of life and death. If I won't go to Chandigarh, then I'm going to lose. I'm going to lose my life. I'm going to lose this. I'm going to lose that. Then everybody was like, wow. Going to Chandigarh, you have a motive. Readers are like, क्या चाहिए इसको? Why it is life of death का matter? क्यों है ये? Why the protagonist want to go over there? So you have to make it, add tadka to the story. You have to add tadka. If I give you example of my debut book, Friends Forever या whatever, I did the same through my first chapter. I put a dream sequence. The book was simple, romantic comedy story, rom-com fiction. So what I did is I put a dream sequence where the protagonist is a CBI officer and she's running after 2 gundas and like shooting through her pistol, and she wants to save her city, and even uttering MCBC ki gali galoch, and everything is going on, right? So later she woke up with the startle because her brother, he literally picked her and threw her on the floor. So it was a dream sequence, right? The story is simple, but I add humor, I add dream sequences which make it more interesting. And this is the very first chapter. And the good thing about that, one more tip here I want to add is like, add the title ऐसा होना चाहिए कि readers are like, wow, what is this about? Because my first chapter का debut book का chapter was like, I hate my brother. The title is like, ऐसा क्या हुआ कि the protagonist hate her brother, so they're gonna read it. Same I have done with the second chapter, that is my sacrifice for mathematics. So what happened? The reader's gonna read. After first, they're gonna turn the pages and come to the second chapter. They're like, what happened to the protagonist that she has to do some sacrifices to get his subject, to get her favorite subject. So if you again say कि नहीं, we don't want to add some sequence, we don't have that much of tadka, so what we can do is we can add preface. Preface is a small introduction which is given before starting the story. I understand nobody read acknowledgement, nobody read indexes, but people do read title of chapters and people do read preface. तो preface में आप introduction में अच्छा सा blurb लिख के डाल सकते हो. Suppose if I give you example of my debut book again, where I have put a small 3 or 4 line ka preface, which is that ke protagonist Jugnu Sharma want to commit suicide because she get betrayed from her friends, from her love of her life, and but she started writing the suicide note, and later her mind got converted and she came out from depression and blah blah blah. So in that way, if readers read that preface, they were like, okay, there is something. What happened? कि depression से वो निकल गई. ऐसा क्या हुआ उसकी life में? Because there is everybody is suffering from depression. Every another youth want to commit suicide. So they were like, अरे ये पढ़ना चाहिए. Maybe we able to solve some problem in our life, right? So here we have done about the romantic, and next is, if you ask me, if somebody wants to write short stories, कि yes ma'am, we want to write short stories. What about short stories? How can we put first chapter में ही कोई suspense या twist? So in short stories, but I suggest you to choose 2 best stories. Suppose you are amalgamating anthology of about 10 to 15 stories. Choose 2 best stories. Put one in the first and put one in the end. That's the best idea to crack the reader's mind. They definitely, अगर वो शुरुआत में ही they find a bore and very light and nothing type sort of interesting story, they were like, अगली वो पढ़ेंगे ही नहीं, ये book तो छोड़ो. They are not even interested in your another anthology or another book. चलो ये तो हो गया fiction. If we come into non-fiction, suppose somebody wants to write self-help book, so what about those? So in the preface you can add what kind of problem you are going to cover, and after the preface, when you are writing your first chapter, discuss about your personal life. If author do so, most of the people are interested, readers are interested in what happened in your personal life, because it's a non-fiction, right? You face some problem, you solve that problem, then only readers gonna get interested कि yes, ये इसकी real life में हुआ था, and now look at the author, he's out of all these problems and now he's out. So we can also solve our problem through reading this book. अगर first chapter में ही you're like discussing things like which are readers are not get interested, they won't get into that aura you want to present through that book, so you lose them. So in self-help book, try to write your problems and also mention that these problems will be solved while you reading these books. Plus एक और tip देती हूँ for self-help, add DIYs, बहुत सारे DIYs, plus interesting होने चाहिए. कुछ space दीजिए अपनी self-help book में, पीछे plain pages जहाँ पे readers अपना short notes बना लें या उसमें कुछ DIY activity कर लें. That will be very interesting. और जब वो उनको effect देखेंगे, they're gonna like, voila, I'm gonna read this writer books again and again. So this is all about today's session, and our next session will be coming very soon, where I'm going to discuss about the middle part of the story. I know that's a bit boring, but वो बहुत important है, तो उसमें character building के बारे में बताएंगे, scenarios कैसे put करने हैं story में, plus how to progress the story, how to boring को हमने interesting कैसे बनाना, because we want our readers to reach till our climax, till our end of the story, and make them so happy that they're gonna post the fabulous review on Amazon or Flipkart or from wherever they purchase our book, right? So homework है as usual, जैसे मैंने पीछे भी दिया था. If you still have some problem, you can DM me personally or mail me, and homework is that you have to tell me how much chapters you have written, right? So stay tuned, and I'll be posting next session very soon.